inflict good vibes, positive energy by cooking. So we've come out here with the pots and some food, and hopefully that will also bring good energy in our community.
I think you're definitely doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's what it's all about. We're just here because I'm trying to feed 1 million people. So I've done a couple thousand so far.
Is that your target?
That's,
1 million people?
That's the target. To feed, yeah. Release stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo Vision on a mission. Release stress. Him feed the homeless. Ringo Vision on a mission. Could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love. Big up yourself, everyone. So we've got this set up now. We've got all our ingredients. So our good vibes. We're gonna be cooking a vegetable soup today, people. Yeah, that is it. We're outside, live at the market here in Croydon, people. Yeah. Let's go. Big up yourself. Big up for what you're doing for the community. Get me, it's powerful. So I'm just here just to give man a strength and just be here to support man by your side always, bro. What we cooking today anyway? I told thing again. Okay. That is it, people. Yeah.
Ringo Vision
Season.
Yeah. You know I like to always
come
pick
on.
that up still.
A good vibes. Joseph, you there as well? That is it, people. So we've got some interest from the local officer that's here. She wants to find out what's going on. We're just letting her know that we're out here to try and feed 140 people today, people, yeah? Alright, we're gonna kick off in just a second anyway. Yeah, man, it's good to see that there's an interest from the local authority as well. A good vibe.
She's the surgeon, she's the officer for the violence against the woman, you know? So she's the one of the officers keep our cordon safe.
That is it.
You know? Yeah, you know.
Oh no. And the dog's barking in the back. So we're just here today because we are trying to raise awareness of violence against women and girls. It is a serious issue that is unfortunately still frequent in our times. So we're talking to a lot of the stores just sort of along High Street and North End. We're talking to a lot of the female employees, seeing what their sort of safety concerns are. Unfortunately, there does seem to be a bit of an issue around drug using on the high street, around loitering of groups and general harassment, whether it's verbal by single people or groups of people. So we're here just trying to understand where we can do better and where we can be a bit more proactive with our police.
And as we're out today helping the local community, so we're here as assistants in the neighbourhood as well to inflict good vibes, positive energy by cooking. So we've come out here with the pots and some food, and hopefully that will also bring good energy in our community.
I think you're definitely doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's what it's all about. We're just here because I'm trying to feed 1 million people. So I've done a couple thousand so far.
Is that your target?
That's
1 million people?
That's the target. To feed, to feed 1 million.
I mean, this looks amazing.
So
I want to taste it.
we need a local park that we can be in and just invite the community to come in and just eat for free. Literally, that's what we actually need to be able to can feed actually like 1,000 or 500 people at a go. So we know we have the parks for like festivals and things like that, but we want to put on a free community food festival.
I did last 3 years, soup kitchen for homeless. I cook in Pai and Marsh here, and feed the homeless. Around every week, every Tuesday, 60, 70 people. I cook it and feed the homeless. Now they started last 4 weeks, they're cooking regularly. And we, like a team, I also provide them the food and the cooking. And I'm very happy, like young people, they wanted to help the community, local community.
It's brilliant.
That's a
Thank you.
thing,
It's so good. It's so good.
Yes, people, we're here in Croydon. We're gonna start cooking right now. This is the market, people. Yeah, it's a nice, friendly, peaceful market. If you ever get the time to come down to market, do come and check the market out, people. Yeah, our good vibes.
So, this is a website called Street Safe where you can report
stuff anonymously that makes you feel unsafe in the street. So like people shouting at you, people hanging around, maybe it's lighting, something like that. And there's a QR code here that can take you to the website to report this stuff. You could do it anonymously, you don't have to tell us who you are. We look at the data and then we come and see if we can put resources into an area and make you feel safer. And this is all awesome.
Thank you very
And
much.
we love Croydon.
Thank you, we love Croydon.
Croydon, yes.
Alright, so look, I'm out here with friend today, people, yeah? A good vibe, so if you come in and have a look, come in and have a look.
What we got here?
So, we're cooking pumpkin soup, and we've got pumpkin in there so far. And we're going to start adding some corn as well, breaking the corn up and putting the corn into the pot, people, because corn is one of them ones that give a lot of flavour as well. So we need the corn in the pot to give part of the sweetness for the soup, people, yeah? That is it. A good vibe. Look at that, friend.
Proper things, bro.
And look, friend, look in
So
there.
this is how you start it, yeah? You
This
just
is my-
start it with the water, the pumpkin and the sweet and the corn and the cob, yeah?
And my wash basin, look at my wash basin. That is it.
So you know we have to keep the veg them clean. You get me? Everything we cook, we clean, we wash. You see me?
So time, going into the pot
You know what time it is?
from early.
You know what time it is?
That is it, people, yeah? And we're just gonna make that just go and boil now until the pumpkin gets soft. And then we're gonna start using the rest of the solid root vegetables them local later. A good vibe.
Good vibes.
Yes, people, so I'm outside right now, so I'm gonna show you what I go on inside of the pot. I'm also on a TikTok live as well. So let me show you what I go on in my pot, people, yeah? So I've got all the ingredients that's in there so far. Are good vibes.
Here it is.
Wow, so look at that. So we reached that point now where we're starting to get bubbles in our pan, people, yeah? And that's what we've been waiting for all this time. So it's a good vibes. All our ingredients that we've got here, we're gonna start peeling up, people, yeah, and putting into our pan. We've got garlic, ginger, all the good stuff. Look at the bubbles. Wow, amazing. If you can smell the flavors right now jumping out from the pot, good vibes. Wow, so we're at that stage now where we're gonna start to put the ingredients them into the pot. So we've got our white yam here. Can you see me on the camera, friend? Can you check it if you can see me on the camera, yeah? We're gonna put our white yam in. Huh? But can you see this though? Can you see what I'm doing here?
Yep.
Alright, so we're putting the white yam into the pot, people, yeah? Come in and have a look at the pot. That is it. So we've been boiling up our pumpkin. We've got the carrots in there, everybody, yeah? All the nice fresh ingredients is in the pot. So now we're just dicing up some yam, putting some yam into the pot, people, yeah? A good vibe. So we've reached that point. This is the dasheen. Putting the dasheen into the pot. We cut the dasheen, put the dasheen in.
Let's go tap on the screen. Let's get to 100K. Let's get to 100K likes, people. Everyone that's doing this live, thank you, Leo Culture Express, RSTY, Aiden.
Some more sweet potato.
Thank you, Aiden.
Yes, people, so we're transporting the kitchen right now. So we've left from Joseph's store. We've got all the ingredients into the pot. We just come right up here on the high street, people, yeah? That is it. And this is where we're gonna finish off and feed up the people them today, people, yeah? Look, we've got some people there on the benches already. So, our good vibes, big up yourself. We're out on the movement. Mark's there with the pulley. Alright, today we're trying to feed as much homeless people as we can. Good vibes. Now tell
There we go. Power me up.
yeah,
Power me up, please.
you in some charge?
A little bit, yeah, please, if I can.
Alright, 1 second.
Yeah. You're not going nowhere, actually. Yeah, man, you're not going nowhere. I know you're going on
Alright,
a mission
people,
right
yeah,
now.
big up yourself. We're outside, we're on the TikTok as well. Yeah, man, we've got some people here sitting down, waiting for their food here on the bench. That is it. We've been cooking all day, slow cooking. There's Fender over there having the vibes. Yeah, man, outside cooking and giving back to the local community and just giving back to the homeless people. Yeah, that's what it's all about. A good vibe. Look at the pot on the fire. No one
Hey, Pen, coming for us.
Hey, Pen, lift that up for me.
Beauty might be coming, so we have to all run.
Wow, look at that.
War.
Look at that.
Jeez.
Look at that.
Simo boss, thank you.
That's what I'm talking about, you know, everyone, yeah. This is
Only
what we're
the sous
talking
chef
about.
gets to touch this.
I bet it's fucking dog.
No noses around the pot, please. Yeah.
Yes, everyone, thank you very much for staying tuned to this episode today. Coming. Let me just do a recap and let you know what happened today. So today we started off at Joseph's Stall in Croydon, and we've got all the ingredients right there, everybody. And today, right now, as you can see, we've come to that grand finale, which is the completion. So we've got corn on the cob, which is in the pot, people, yeah. We've got cho-cho, we've got dasheen, we've got yellow yam, we've got white yam, we've got cocoa yam, we've got sweet potato from Jamaica, we've got sweet potato from Uganda, people, yeah. We've got carrot, we've also got a bit of callaloo in the pot as well, people, yeah, just boiling away, and it's all the goodness, everything's boiled out, and it's at the right point where we are right now, people, yeah. So we're just gonna start serving up. Thank you to everybody coming. Let me just show you everybody that's out here today. So we're out here in Croydon. We've got a few people. So guys, can we start lining up? Because I'm gonna start serving. So if you can just start coming over here.
Yeah.
And we're gonna start serving the food. Okay. Yeah, so if you come this way.
Big up Faithless.
Big up Fed.
Big up Marky Mark.
Big up yourself, people.
So we just get everyone in the line here. Sorry, thank you. We'll just get everyone in the line here and we're just going to start serving everybody here. Have good vibes. Thank you very much, everybody here. Then get a far view for me, come back there. Everyone, so look, we've just got a queue behind us. So we're going to start serving now. Have good vibes. That is it. Have a look in the pot. Ready, guys, yeah? Yes, everybody, so we're just
Serving up TikTok.
So we're just starting to serve up right now. Have good vibes.
You got a spoon or just soup?
Just soup.
They can use a lid, can't they use a lid for the spoon?
That's ghetto, bro.
Yeah, we're in the ghetto. We're in the trenches.
Facts.
We're in the trenches.
Get some far back so that you can see everything.
What, Ringo, should I use this to dish some up as well?
No, because I ain't got a scoop.
50 of these.
Top
Top man, Ben.
I know, man. Just them man are sabotaging up my life. Man.
Yes, everybody, so what's happening right now? So we're just dishing out the soup and making sure that everybody gets their meal that they've been waiting for, everybody. Have good vibes.
Good vibes.
You hungry, people? You hungry?
Look, soup. Come.
I even need to move my camera now, then.
No, it's calm. Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Leave it. I beg you leave it for now, please.
Come do it this way, my friend.
You got some vlogs as well. Sweet, isn't it? Oh, you want potato now? Alright, watch out for the camera.
No spoon. Sorry, no spoon. It's soup.
Old school.
No problem.
Thank you so much, guys. No worries. Old school, bro.
Roger.
Hey, who's next?
I would have grabbed some spoons.
You can come back for seconds, guys, if you want.
Keep your cup, please. Keep your cup, though.
Princess, cup of Vital soup. Freshly cooked, would you like? Okay.
Who else is over there? Alright, cool.
Nice. What is that?
This is what I call that one a baby in a bottle. So see if you're not fire, you have to come check Kirk, yeah? No, I'm oh brother, we're not talking like
just say
that.
it for me, innit? Yeah, no, I know what you mean, though. Come on. No, fire. You have pick one.
Be careful, it's hot.
Yes, Ringo, me love what you do, Ringo. I'm not telling like. Keep up the good work, yeah?
Good vibes.
Good, that one, yeah?
Thank you.
That one is straight out of my
Yes, people, big up Kirk.
Yeah, man. Remember, I know. I'm cooking with Kirk, same way,
You
yeah?
have to check out Cooking with Kirk on the YouTube, people, yeah.
Can't go wrong, Ringo.
Team just forward that.
This one here, we call it baby in a buckle. let me know a thing go, yeah?
Cooking with Kirk people here on the YouTube, yeah, that is it.
We go give them a little support tight, man.
Children on the way, yeah?
Huh?
Children on the way.
Kirk have 20. Kirk have 20.
No, hold on,
have 20. Hey, big up Kirk, you know. Ringo.
Release stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Release stress. Him feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Ringo could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Power, release stress. Ringo feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Well, we've gone through 25 cups already.
See, we've gone for 25. We've fed 25 people so far.
Thank you.
So far, so good. We have some ice also. I forgot to ask you. I'm gonna like McDonald's.
There you go, friend. Look.
Thank you.
Hey, look, Finn.
Hey. What?
We
We got Ringo Vision. Wait.
Right, everyone, so
Everyone keep tapping up. Yes, so look at this, keep tapping up. So hello, Katie. We're back. You know, we've just
30 people so far.
30 people.
Pot's gone down, look at that, wow.
Get me
It's still bubbling.
Ringo Vision.
Our good vibes. Thank you very much. We got Marky Mark, we got Ben, we got Faithless, we got up and coming.
We need to get more people.
Come on, man. There's corn in the pot. Who wants a corn? Who wants a corn? Faithless, you want a corn? No, I can't. More soup? Oh, sorry. That's all good. Come again.
That's what happened to me the other day, boy. Ooh.
Ronnie, you coming again?
Hey, that's a
Full
really
top up?
good video.
Yeah, man.
Everyone's coming back. Let me juice you up.
Cheers,
That is
bro.
it.
Mind you don't burn your throat, Ronnie.
Let me do my
Hey, look at it. Jay.
Wow. You see the callaloo, yeah? The blend of callaloo that you can taste in the pot. It's like, it's wow, it's
I
mad.
want some free soup. We're giving away some free soup.
Amazing people, yeah? Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. We've been outside today. We started off with Joseph's stool. We started off with the ingredients there, yam, pumpkin, all the root vegetables. Now we're here on Croydon High Street and we're just gonna be slowly feeding people as they come past people, yeah? That is it, that's the mission. A good vibes, big up yourself. The soup is absolutely a good vibes. And then we've got Fen here. He's just on loudspeaker. Free soup.
I'm on loudspeaker. I'm on the loudest speaker ever.
He's on
trust
loud.
me.
He's on loud. Full stop, people.
When Fenn's here, he's always gonna hear him in the background making noise. But it means well.
Free soup.
Free soup.
Free soup.
Come and get your soup right
Soup.
now.
What's wrong with you? You're getting your own one.
We saw you earlier, bro, innit? Yeah.
Up and coming artists. Yeah, come on. Do you want soup, auntie?
Enjoy your soup, guys.
Okay.
Free soup, mate.
Yeah, sure. Hey, bro, come.
You enjoy, brother.
Who's Ras Kitchen? Big up Ras Kitchen. Who's Ras Kitchen again? No, that's what I mean. That's what you know. Yeah, Ras Kitchen. Ras Kitchen.
It's in Jamaica.
Knock up,
Jump in, darling.
Yeah, you're gonna do a full right to the brim. You know what that is? What we say? Run for the Alizé right to the brim. Roll deep, so deep they can't swim. Doing it for Keisha, doing it for Kim.
It's hot, man.
It's alright, you know. It's not too hot. What's you want? Look at the colours in that.
Free, it's free.
Alright, boss. Bless.
Ringo speaker, basically. I mean, projector.
It's hot, people.
Microphone.
Sorry, Finn.
No worries, Mark.
Basically took a trip to Jamaica.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You enjoy.
Thank you.
Vegetable soup. Good vegetable soup. What's in the soup?
Like, yam. You eat corn? Good soup.
Are you sure it's a soup?
You don't have that corn, but
I don't know, like, we're drinking.
Have we got a fussy one here, Ringo? Corn's good for you, mate, young man. Corn will make you grow big.
these kind of things. These are good.
Yeah.
These ain't things that they
I'll give it to him.
chemical. Yeah. You drink. What about you?
Yeah, I'm gonna say that's not food.
No, I don't like
You will like it.
You like it, mate? Tastes like patty.
Yo, bro.
A bit, innit?
Yo, want some food? Come.
You know, Tracky, it fits bigger than but Tracky, it fits kind of bigger.
Yeah, man.
When I got it, well, I think
This is small as well.
you regret buying it. You lot are the future, you know. Yeah, you lot are the future.
Young man, are you not eating?
After us when we're older,
Are you not eating?
No,
No?
I don't really like
You ain't going to get as big as him?
Yeah, but I'll try.
Okay.
Look up for us, we're old men now. We're walking through now. Look at, you know, we're in your little squad in the game. Yeah, if you look at us, you're some OGs, them. But you've got love for them. You get me? Yo, Ringo.
You're welcome, bro.
Boys.
Come, let me hear some boy.
You do.
Are you both? Wanna rap on the TikTok? or
Finn,
you wanna rap off-
Finn.
Not off- Don't worry, I'm not-
Start them off, brother. Finn,
They can see you.
start them off, brother.
Alright, should I start them off?
Start them off. Come,
Look,
come.
man said I made it already. I've been hood famous already, but I ain't had my face on the telly. But I had bare girl on my celly, Nokia, iPhone, even BlackBerry. High from the weed, drunk off the Henny. Man's been out here trying to hit the belly. Break down food, no lunch or brekkie. Gotta make a quick drink, no bevy. Man needs readies. Pass me the bread, I don't want no toast, I don't want no shreddies. Came a long way from chilling at Gregory's. Hey, now I chuck them.
Come on, young man. Chuck them bars. Chuck them bars, boy. Come on.
I know you got bars.
Don't be shy, bro.
Come on, bro.
Just do it, bro. You always have to.
Bro, live on TikTok.
I bet he's got bars, isn't he?
Come, don't be shy.
Be shy, bro. Be shy.
You shy?
Just do it, bro. I'll give you a beat.
Get over it.
Okay,
Come.
let's do it.
Acapella. You go first, because I know you want to rap so bad. I know you've got the bars. You
Friend, give him encouragement, brother.
I did. I encouraged them, you know, Marky. But they're a bit shy because I think they heard the levels are like, all the levels is high. Don't worry.
Look, the pot of soup is almost complete. Look at that. Wow. And good vibes. We're just standing up here and everybody that looks for the feeling with
I'm out there, I don't sound no facts. I made that boy and he really run laps. I like the way you started that though. Now said I'm in the studio and I don't chat to see that.
And you know me, I'm gonna ride on. I'm gonna ride this shit.
I go to the studio and I don't cap. It's truth, I spit and I rap. Do it for mum, do it for my family. I'm just trying to make them happy.
Hey, yeah.
Let's just top this off, people, yeah? And let's just use this last little moment to just send all the last gifts in. Friday, we're coming out to cook again, people, yeah? So if you want to make a donation for Friday's cooking, you can make that donation now. My PayPal is Ringo Vision, people, yeah? Or you can put through some gifts that will go through towards our next cooking on Friday. Keep sharing the live, people, yeah? Just keep sharing the live. Let's get that 200K before we come out, people, yeah?
I make the soup taste so nice, man. Huh? I make the soup taste so nice like that.
That wasn't the same as last week.
No.
Yeah, but it's probably is it different every time, or do you like you set out?
How does it taste? Good?
Alright, look, everyone.
Smash the fucking screen, man.
Oh, sorry, mate, sorry.
Smash that screen. Thank you very much for today, everybody. Yeah, we're coming off the live now. 200K. That is it. I just want to just say thank you to everybody that came out. Faithless, Ronnie, Marky Mark, Uncle Production, Ben Dizzle.
God no, Peter.
So good.
Thank you very much for clapping at the screen. We hit that 200K likes. I love you guys so much, yeah. You guys have been absolutely amazing. A good vibe. One love. Until next time. Thank you so much, everybody, yeah. Big up yourself and have a blessed evening. A good vibes.